For number 10, we have another ideas question. And notice in this case, we're adding a sentence to this paragraph. Now, I included the paragraph because we should probably read it. But as we'll see from the goal in this question, we don't need to read it because they're really specific about what they want. They want to add a second policy outcome of the research described. Now, we just did the first policy outcome, which is that they pass these laws in Canada to deal with the phosphates and the algae. So a second policy outcome, follow instructions, give them what they want. Let's look at choice A. Lake 226 continued to develop blooms of blue-green algae for 8 consecutive years after the experiment took place. That's not a policy outcome. That's just another result of the experiment. A policy outcome is like, how did the laws change? Something like that. Look at letter B. In the United States, many individual states have also adopted legislation to eliminate or at least reduce phosphorus content in laundry detergents. Perfect. They adopted legislation. That's a policy outcome. They've changed the policy of the state because of this experiment. That's good. Let's look at C and D though. In 1974, Schindler initiated a study of the effects of acid rain using Lake 223 to examine how sulfuric acid altered aquatic ecosystems. This is completely unrelated. Sulfuric acid, acid rain, these are things that are never mentioned at all in the passage. Plus, they're not policy outcomes. There's no policy change here. It's just this guy doing another experiment. Choice D, aerial photos of the lakes taken before and during algal blooms helped convey the effects of phosphates in water to the public. Well, the fact that it's talking about the public makes it seem like maybe this is more related, but there's no policy here. Taking pictures is not a policy. Maybe that would affect the policy and help people want to change the policy, but in and of itself, passing legislation is a policy outcome. That matches much more closely with what they're asking for. So yeah, you might need the paragraph, but I think you could get this without it. Just do what you're told. Follow instructions.